guys, and happy Friday. I hope you have had a great spring break week. And today, this whole week, I've been doing different drawing challenges and art challenges, which have been a lot of fun. Today, I just wanted to take a little bit of time to share with you one of my favorite art books that are near and dear to my heart. I have a lot of favorite books, and I have a lot of favorite art books as well. But this is absolutely one of them. And this is actually where the whole idea of our Pinky Promise stems from, because it's the whole idea of being okay with whatever you make, whatever happens, whatever you do, and making the best out of it. So this is by Peter H. Reynolds. It's called Ish. He also writes The Dot, which I've read to you before in class. And if you follow him on Facebook, you and your parents can watch him read his own books, which is so much better than watching Mrs. Cronky read them. But I just wanted to share this with you today and encourage you to keep drawing, keep doing the March free draw challenge, keep doing the color wheel challenge and the squiggle challenge, all of that. I can't wait to see. I love it. It makes my heart pop every time I see one of you post something, and I've been trying to respond to them. If I don't respond to them right away, it might be that I don't see it or that I'm sleeping. I do sleep sometimes. So without further ado, let me get started. Ish by Peter H. Reynolds. Ish. Ramon loved to draw. Anytime, anything, anywhere. One day, Ramon was drawing a vase of flowers. His brother, Leon, leaned over his shoulders. Leon burst out laughing. "What is that?" he asked. Ramon could not even answer. He just crumpled up the drawing and threw it across the room. Leon's laughter haunted Ramon. He kept trying to make his drawings look right, but they never did. After many months and many crumpled sheets of paper, Ramon put his pencil down. "I'm done!" Maricel, his sister, was watching him. "What do you want?" he snapped. "I was watching you draw," she said. Ramon sneered. "I'm not drawing! Go away!" Maricel ran away, but not before picking up a crumpled sheet of paper. "Hey, come back here with that!" Ramon raced after Maricel, up the hall and into her room. He was about to yell, but fell silent when he saw his sister's walls. He stared at the crumpled gallery. "This is one of my favorites," Maricel said, pointing. "That was supposed to be a vase of flowers," Ramon said. "But it doesn't look like one." "Well, it looks vase-ish," she exclaimed. "Vase-ish?" Ramon looked closer. Then he studied all the drawings on Maricel's wall and began to see them in a whole new way. "They do look ish," he said. Ramon felt light and energized. Thinking ishly allowed his ideas to flow freely. He began to draw what he felt loose lines, quickly springing out without worry. Ramon once again drew the world around him. Making an ish drawing felt wonderful. Tree-ish, house-ish, boat-ish, afternoon-ish, fish-ish, sun-ish. He filled his journals. Ramon realized he could draw his feelings too. Peace-ish, silly-ish, excited-ish. His ish art inspired ish writing. He wasn't sure if he was writing poems, but he knew they were poem-ish. One spring morning, Ramon had a wonderful feeling. It was a feeling that even ish words and ish drawings could not capture. He decided not to capture it. Instead, he simply savored it. And Ramon lived ish-fully ever after. The end-ish. So, I hope you enjoyed this book. Remember to savor these moments at home that you have. And also remember to keep drawing ish. Okay? I can't wait to see your ish drawings, and I have a great week. I'm going to be posting another video about what's to come next week. So be looking forward to it. I can't wait to hear from you soon.